Good morning, children. Welcome back. Today we are starting the new chapter, heat and its effects. Everybody knows about what is heat. Heat is a change in temperature, something that change in temperature. It was in the 20th century that Count Rumford and James Prescott. Count Rumford and James Prescott said that heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. Heat is a form of energy. We call it thermal energy. Thermal energy. So, what is the contribution of Count Rumford and James Prescott? James Prescott. What is the contribution? They said that heat is a form of energy called thermal energy. Very important discovery. Now, what are the effects of heat? Heat has many effects. First of all, the effect of heat include it increases the temperature. Heat increases temperature of the object. So, what is the first effect of the heat? Effect of the heat, first one, increases temperature. Second, heat increases expansion or heat causes expansion of substances. Heat causes expansion of substances. Now, third one, heat causes changes in the states of matter. Changes in states of matter. For example, if you heat the water becomes steam. Then now, when you cool down the steam, it will become the solid ice. So, you can see that when water is heated and cooled down, the change of state of matter happens. So, when we heat an object or cool down the object, it will change the states. Okay, now fourth one, heat causes chemical reaction. Chemical reaction. You know that heat, during a reaction, the heat is liberated or absorbed, released or absorbed. Heat is produced during a chemical reaction, or heat itself causes chemical reaction. Now, we can also say that heat affects the living organisms. Heat affects organisms. So, what are the 5 effects of heat? First of all, heat increases the temperature. Heat causes expansion of substances. Heat causes changes in states. Then it also causes chemical reaction, which affects the organisms. For example, in water, when the water is boiled, the organisms will die. But even some organisms will lay the egg and the eggs hatches out in a particular temperature. So, there are the 5 main effects of the heat in our life. Now, let us see the first point, that is expansion. Heat causes expansion and increase the volume. Heat causes expansion. How the heat causes expansion? And really know how heat causes expansion of the substance. When a substance is heated, suppose when a substance is heated, you can see this is the flame and this is the substance. When a substance is heated, the molecules inside of the substance start moving. The molecules of the substance start moving. Okay? When the molecules move, the space between the molecules increases. When the space between the molecules increases, the size or volume of the object will increase. The volume of the object increases. Volume of the object or substance increases. This change in the increase in the volume is called expansion. So, how a substance is expanded when it is heated? Yes, when we heat, it increases the movement of the molecules of the substance. Heat increases the movement of the molecules of the substance. When the molecules increases, the distance space between the molecules also increases. The space between the molecules increases. You can see the space between the molecules increases. Space between the molecules increases. When the space increases, the volume or the size increases, which causes expansion. Clear, everybody? So how heating increases the expansion of a substance? When we heat, the heat increases the movement of the molecules of the substances. When molecules move, the space between the distance between the molecules increases. When the distance or the space between the molecules increases, what happens? The volume or the size of the object increases. This causes expansion of the object. There are many examples given in the text. For example, this is a metal ball. Metal ball. What is it? Ball. And it is hung from a thread. This is the stand. Okay. Now we are heating the ball. This is a ring. But it is a ring. When we heat, the molecules, the size of the ball increases. When it increases, it cannot pass through the ring. So this is a simple activity. Then another activity says, this is an iron rod. Suppose this is an iron rod. This is the wooden bridge or wooden square, wooden piece. Now, see, on one side of it, we are attaching one paper piece. We start boiling the wooden rod. After boiling, the heat will be transferred. The heat will now turn the metal rod and the paper will twist. Paper will twist. So there are many activities to show that the substances expand, particularly metal expand more on heating. Now, we are not going to solid expand on heat. In a solid, if I am writing here solid, suppose this is the solid. In the solid, the molecules are arranged very tightly, very closely. In molecules, solid has molecules arranged very closely or tightly. When we heat the solid, the movement of the molecules is very slow and less. You can say movement of the molecules in what we call solid is very less. Okay, and they are tightly packed. The molecules are tightly packed. So when we heat, the tightly packed molecules only vibrate. Tightly packed molecules only vibrate very least. So molecules vibrate very least. Why? Because molecules of the solid is tightly packed and closely packed. They vibrate very slowly. Hence, what we can say, the solid expand very slowly. Solid expand very slowly. Okay, like that we can say the solid molecules are tightly packed. The tightly packed molecules move very slowly or vibrate very slowly, and their movements are very slow. Because of this reason, the solid expand very slowly or the least. Whereas in the case of liquid, the molecules are rightly placed. Molecules are widely placed. When we heat, the vibrations increase more than vibrations of the molecules in solid. So what happens when we heat it? The vibrations of the molecules are very high than the molecules in the solid. So molecules of the liquid on heating vibrate faster. Hence, liquids expand more because the molecules vibrate and move faster. Whereas in the case of gas, the molecules are placed very widely and distantly. So what happens? The average space between the molecules, when we heat the molecule, the gases, the molecules vibrate very fast. Molecules vibrate very fast and moves very faster. Molecules of the gas move considerably, very faster. As a result, we can see the gases expand more than liquid and solid. So in solid, the molecules are tightly packed, they vibrate very easy, and hence the solid expands very slowly. Whereas in liquid, the molecules are widely placed considerably, and the molecules vibrate and move faster than the solid. Hence, liquid expanded more than solid. Whereas in the case of gases, the molecules are very widely placed, considerably they are placed widely. And when we heat them, the molecules vibrate faster and move very faster. And the gases expand more than liquid and solid. So this is all about from this session, introductory section. Thanks.